channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing one of my favorite boxes of the month, which is the Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar Box. This is the box in question. If you're not familiar with this box is a Black woman inspired box that has different items in it every month, more like a lifestyle box. The box costs $39.95 plus $6.95 shipping and handling, and based on where you live, I guess taxes will be applied, but I live in Delaware, so there are no taxes, which is wonderful. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do post weekly. If you enjoy subscription unboxings, product reviews, hauls, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and you'll be up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get into this box. So guys, the box, this is how it comes in, like a little mailer that they ship to you. And I love the little designs. Every month there's normally some kind of different lady or young lady on the front of the box. I just love the designs of the box. I think they do an awesome job. And guys, this box is the box for the month of March 2022. Now, the company did have some shipping delays. They were trying to hold the boxes back, waiting for a particular item that was supposed to be in this box. And they did give me some information about that, which they included right here. But as you know, there's shipping delays for pretty much every business. Every business is suffering in some kind of way with that. So what was supposed to be in this box, which they've tried to wait for, which did not come in time, was a luxe belted satin robe. So that is not in this box. They did give us another mystery product to make up for that item not being in a box. However, they do plan on shipping it out to us next month to make sure that we get it. And generally they just basically said in this paper that their boxes are pretty much designed ahead of time, and they just could not get this product in due to shipping delays. So that is what this paper is stating to us here. So guys, with every box for Izzy and Liv, we do get a lovely little magazine, is what I like to call it. And this month's box is called Self-Care Vibes, which you see down here. And they always have like little great things in here. You do, when you first open the page, you get to see what's supposed to be in your box and the value. And this month's box is supposed to have a value of $112. So you do see that information listed in here. It tells you how much each item it is. They also give you information, just various little articles, or maybe how to use your product. Oh, you guys, and they also do have like inspiration kind of articles listed in here. And there's like a lot of little different things that they have in here. Great little read if you have time. So I'm going to get started and start reviewing our first product out of the box. So the first thing I have here is Izzy and Liv Island Citrus, and this is their whipped soap. So guys, this has a product of $15, and this is the Creamy Dreamy Whipped Soap. And I'm just going to pop it open so you guys can get an idea what it looks like inside. And ooh, this smells really good. Oh, that smells good. Oh man, I can't wait to use this one. This one smells really, really good. Very fresh and kind of tropical. So the island vibes part, I'm definitely smelling in this whipped bodysuit. And guys, this says take your skin to paradise. This is a 2-in-1 cleanser and moisturizer, and it's infused with natural oils to nourish the skin. And you lather up, and you can either receive 1 or 3 scents. And at the top here, guys, you can see the 3 scents that you could have received. So they have lush lavender and sweet vanilla, as well as this island vibe, which is the one that I received. So guys, the next product we have is a dry brush that we received. So this is like a dry body brush here is what it says. And this has a value of $12, and it says glow and moisturize dry body brush. It says gently brush away the dead skin cells for silky, smooth, and soft skin. This is a all-in-one brush, and it may relieve stress and alleviate muscle tension and improve blood circulation. And it exfoliates the skin. So I am familiar with having these dry body brushes. I think I got one before, like in FabFitFun a couple of years ago, and I would just use it before I go in the shower and just kind of stimulate, like exfoliating my skin before I jump in the shower. So guys, I really did enjoy using the body brush, so I'm looking forward to trying this one out and putting that as a part of my beauty routine as well. So guys, the next item we have here, they included a Sweet Dream satin pillowcase, and that's listed right down here in our pamphlet. And this has a value of $15, and this is the color that I have, and they have it in plastic here. Let me pull that out so I can show you. And it says cotton pillowcases are silent enemies causing repeatedly nightly damage to the hair, and it's time to evict them. And look at this pillowcase, guys. I'm gonna pull back a bit so you can see, and it says protecting my edges. I love it. Love, love, love. And it's a nice size pillowcase too, which I think is great. So again, this has a $15 value. And basically anybody, like, you know, most black women want to protect our edges, stop our hair from breaking off. So if you don't sleep with anything on your head at night, like a bonnet or a scarf, then sleeping on a satin pillowcase is absolutely great for you and for your hair as well as your skin, which I might add. Because when you're sleeping on cotton, it's just snatching the oils out your skin and making your skin very dry as well as your hair. So I think this will definitely come in handy, and I can't wait to use it. So I'm glad they included that. That was a good one. And the next product is the mystery product, but I actually have this already, which is the champagne flute glasses here. So we got this maybe 6 months ago or so, maybe around the summertime. I remember getting these, and this is the champagne flute glasses, and they have silicone sleeves on them. So I'm gonna pop them out the box so you can check them out. And let's see, there's one, and they come in 2 different colors here, guys. So I got the green and the yellow, and now on the side of the silicone it just says Queen. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it says Queen. I think these are so cute. I like the fact that they have the sleeve on them, because if you're somebody like me, you're hanging out with your friends and you're having wine or champagne, yeah, we break stuff all the time. Like, I have many broken wine glasses everywhere. So I think that was a great idea. You have a good grip on your glass when you go to hold it. So these will definitely get used. I'll enjoy these when I'm entertaining my friends. So I can't wait to add this to my collection. This is awesome. And guys, it does not have a value in here for the glasses, and I do not remember what they were previously. If I can find the information, then I will drop it in the description below. But this was our mystery product, since we didn't get the robe in time, which I thought was very thoughtful of them to put something in here in absence of the robe that they were expecting. So I really appreciate that as a customer. And guys, the last thing in my box is my t-shirt. Now, you know, every month when you get this box, you always get a t-shirt. And actually, this is one of the t-shirts that I have from them, the Izzy and Liv. I have so many cute little t-shirts from them. So I can't wait to add this one. So let me show it to you guys. And it looks like it was just one option for the t-shirt color. So we have purple. And I love this color purple. It's a nice dark purple. And it says royalty on it, and it has a picture of like Nefertiti or something on here. I think this is awesome. And guys, I get the size large. Yeah, I get large, right? Yeah. And they're normally like a unisex kind of large, but it's a large. But I actually love that, so I know I'm going to get good use out of this. Purple is one of my favorite colors. I I think that was awesome. So guys, in review, the box has a $112 value. That could be subjective this month just because we did not get the robe. Now the robe that was supposed to come in here was valued at $45. And I can't wait to get the robe. If you guys can see here, there's a couple of different variations of the robe. And I can't wait to get that next month. So next month we'll see which one I have. And I'll share all of that with you guys. So we have our t-shirt here, which has a value of $25. We have our flutes. We have our whipped soap. We have a dry brush bar. And we have our satin pillowcase for the month. So I think they did a good job of staying in line with self-care. So I would say the box theme did stay in line with self-care. I'm really excited to use some of this stuff. This stuff smells so good. I could just sit here smelling this. If my bathroom smells like this after I come out, man, I'm going to be smelling real nice. Real nice. So guys, let me know in the bottom what you thought of my box. If you haven't tried this box, if you enjoy subscription boxes, and this is curated by Black women, and you want to support a Black owned business, this would be one to check out. Again, this is the Izzy and Liz box. This is a monthly box. And guys, the best part about this subscription, which I'm just going to briefly talk about, is that you can pause it whenever you want. So you don't always see me presenting this, because sometimes I pause it because I get some of the other subscription boxes, and sometimes that's a bit overwhelming. But I can pause it, I can restart it whenever I want to. I do enjoy that option. I wish all of the other ones did that. That would be so beneficial, because you would stay a customer with them longer if you had that kind of option. But you can't get these boxes every month. I mean, it's just a lot. So guys, that is my boxing review. I hope you guys enjoyed everything and enjoyed this video. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you liked out of this box. Do you think I got $112 value this month, or what do you think? So let me know what you guys think. And guys, I will see you at my next video. Again, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe. It does help my small channel here on YouTube. And guys, I'll see you next video. Bye.